antelope, fast on its feet. B is for bear, who loves a treat. C is for cat, so cuddly and small. D is for dog, who loves to chase balls. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog with a ribbit sound. G is for giraffe with a super long neck. H is for horse, who loves to trek. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, who swings all day. N is for newt, in the water he'll play. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, a waddling sight. Q is for quail, so quick and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake, who slithers low. T is for tiger, watch him go. U is for urchin, in the sea. V is for vulture, in the tree. W is for whale, who sings so deep. X is for x-ray fish, who likes to leap. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to spare. Buzz and sing from A to Z, so many animals come and see. From jungle, ocean, land, and sky, with insect voices, we say bye-bye.